Two best ways to earn online in USA. Number 1, Rakuten. Best for coach back on online purchases. Rakuten is an app that earns you cash back for shopping at over 3,000 stores. It works by partnering with the different stores and getting paid a commission for sale, which is then shared with the customers in the form of cashback. Some popular brands that Rakuten partners with include etc, Macy's, StubHub and Best Buy. A few stores come with the opportunity to earn over 10% cashback on purchase. You can earn cashback by shopping through the Rakuten app or downloading the Rakuten browser extension. It also possible to collect earnings from in-store purchase by linking a card to Rakuten in the app and then using the linked card to the pay in store. Earnings are paid out 4 times a year and they can be distributed by the check or PayPal. Number 2, Ibotta. Best for cashback on in-store purchases. Ibotta offers cashback rewards on purchase made online and in stores much like Rakuten. A unique feature of Ibotta, abundance of earnings opportunities for in-store purchase. If you have loyalty cards at certain retailers, you can link them to the Ibotta app cashback rewards whenever you shop at the retailer. Another way to earn cash back is by submitting a receipt from the store's Ibotta partners. When you buy certain products listed in the app, you receive cashbacks on the purchases. You can also opt in the nearby offer alerts, which send notification to your mobile phone whenever you are near an Ibotta retailer. Instead of earning points and then remaining accumulated points, you get direct cash for each qualifying purchase within 24 hours. You can withdraw earnings when you reach $50, which can then be converted into a gift card to transfer to a bank account via PayPal. As of November 10, 2022, Ibotta offers $15 sign-up bonus, which is created once you spend $50 shopping with Ibotta.